Oh, hello. I'm going to be reacting to this video or something. I don't know what it is. There's this hat encrusted into me. So, yeah, let's get right on to the video.